grout haze should be removed promptly to restore tile sheen and prevent long-term dulling. Start by waiting until the grout has reached initial set but is not fully cured, usually 20 to 48 hours depending on temperature and humidity. Begin with a clean bucket of warm water and a soft cellulose sponge, wiping in figure 8 motions and rinsing the sponge frequently until the water runs clear. Change the rinsing water often to avoid redepositing grout residue and avoid abrasive scrubbing, which can damage grout joints. After several wipe downs, allow the grout to cure fully based on the manufacturer guidance, often 72 hours. Then test a small, inconspicuous area with a commercial grout haze remover following the product instructions exactly. Apply the remover sparingly with a clean white cloth or sponge, agitate gently, and neutralize any acid-based product with a plain water rinse to prevent damage to the grout and tile. Finish with a final buff using a microfiber cloth to restore shine and inspect joints for any remaining residue that may need a repeat, but only after the manufacturer recommended wait time. 3 common mistakes are using a dirty sponge and never changing water, which simply spreads haze around and embeds film into grout, so always use fresh water and clean sponges often. Second is scrubbing hard with abrasive pads, which can scratch tile surfaces and erode grout. Instead, use soft sponges and gentle circular motions, and reserve abrasive pads for truly resilient stone only after testing. Third is applying commercial haze remover too early while grout is still curing, which can alter grout color and strength. Wait the full manufacturer recommended cure time and spot test first, and if residue persists, repeat application only as directed. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives practical project guidance relevant to post-grouting, cleaning, so we can help you find local help when a job needs professional care. Our community discussion area lets us share tips, ask questions, and read real experiences from other homeowners and contractors.